going to show that how a attacker can attack and get into the system of victim's machine. There are certain commands that he'll be using to get into system of the victim. But for our scenario, we have to uh, give us free software to this victim, and from that software, victim was gonna install that software, and in that software, the extension was for the netcat and for the other things, the exe files that were linked to the Google Chrome extension. Okay, from now we'll be showing that the things that were working behind the netcat extension. So this is how this is how in the batch file we'll be having it, and this link, this location shows that it is linked with the Google Chrome extension. So now we are going to start up with the attacker's machine side. This is all on the victim's machine side. So let's go to attacker's machine side. For attacker's machine, we'll go to our root first. We'll establish a connection from we will establish connection with our victim's machine. Okay, this is now listening. First of all, it's listening. So this is, since it's linked to Google Chrome, we'll go back. We'll see that this is like when the user or the victim will open Google Chrome, he'll see this thing pops up, this pop-up. Like for a layman, it's just a pop-up. So he'll just close it, but it's not worse than linking your machine with the attacker. So now see this. This is how your machine is linked with the attacker. On your root, you can see that connection have been established with this thing, with the IP address of the victim. So now after getting the IP address of victim, now we can start linking our device with the victim. And after this, you can see that we are into the victim's machine. See the Google Chrome and the extension we are. Now first of all, we'll get the IP address and the MAC address of the machine. So this is how we'll go about it. IP config on. We got everything from the victim's machine. This is where the MAC address, the victim's host name, and everything is there. And on the back end, if you see, there is nothing going on the victim's machine. Victim will never notice like what's going on in the back. So whereas attacker will be getting the full access to his information about the system. Then it is showing the physical address, of the machine. Here you go with the physical no, sorry, that's the address for the Bluetooth. It shows the what is the host name and everything for the machine, and then the virtual LAN, everything, the media, whatever it contains. And now we'll go for the system info. It takes generally some time, so let's give some time to load it. So now we'll just load the task list that are the tasks that are going on within the system. So these are the tasks that are running within the system. These are those tasks that you can see from your task manager, and those tasks that are running behind you, that's running in your background. Sorry. So all these tasks running in your background: explorer.exe, vm.net, VMware, your hosted VMwares, your Dropbox, and everything, all the things that you want, everything is here. So now we'll further, last but not least, this. Okay,
You paused it?
yeah.
I mean,
Because first when we establish connection, I guess we have to start at that time.
you should pause it, right?
Yeah, it's paused. Okay,
It takes some
CPRMC,
time.
then links, link first,
Yeah,
this one, right? Links, then system info.
Yes, it will work.
Now it will work. So we
So
have
it
to
takes time.
establish connection. From the first established connection, you have to do it. When
Come
you
on,
establish for the first time, then you have to do it.
okay, let's. Write task list.
Okay.
Now try to system info.
Now
Still,
it's running.
it takes some time, you know.
But not, that time, why it was not loading?
It was loading because we waited only 5-6 seconds and we cancelled and we moved to task list.
Okay, should I start now?
No, just clean the.
CLS or what is it for?
It was clean or something like that. Clear.
Wait.
Last time we showed task list, right?
Yeah.
Okay, type task list. Okay, now you can start and write
Okay.
system.
System info was for MAC addresses, right?
Now, system info was for everything like your. I'll show you. Your computer name and
Then where was the MAC address of the system?
MAC address was in the IP config, I guess. Okay,
Because see, IP config have showed this thing only Bluetooth MAC address.
yes, system info here.
Oh, yeah, it shows MAC address. See.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is the MAC address? But the MAC address will be in the IP config, right?
Yes.
See, this is IP config.
Should show the MAC address.
There is a MAC address, physical address.
But it is for Bluetooth. See, Bluetooth device.
This one is showing the product ID and address of operation build number. We can show also this one, right? Wi-Fi passwords we can.
But where are the passwords? These are all users. Cool enough.
We can show this one as well.
Yeah. Okay. You just open this at by side.
I can write it for you.
Okay. But where is MAC address, man? We had that day. We have seen MAC address.
Address should be in the fucking IP config. When I uninstall the virtual machine, it saves some info, I guess, right?
It saves your virtual machines.
Product IDs as well.
Product ID is online.
Actually, you know, I uninstalled, I again installed, and everything is there still.
The virtual machines. Did you completely remove it or just keep data?
No, I completely
See, even here it's showing Bluetooth first.
Okay, Google it. Have to see your MAC address in the CMD code. This woman is my destiny, she said. Ooh, shut up and dance.
See, it is showing MAC address for everything. MAC address is not one for one machine.
Hmm?
See, MAC address is for everything. It's different, wireless LAN, Ethernet. So it's good. So we are good enough in the IP config all.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Okay. Then we can show the passwords.
Hmm.
Okay. Let's start with other shit now. System info. Okay. I'm starting it again, huh?
Hmm.
Guys, starting again. So now I'll show system info, then system information that will contain everything regarding this system. So actually this system means victim system. System info. Yep. So it's loading. Take some time and it will load. Yep. There it is. It have uploaded everything. So it is showing that the system host is Dell, Windows 8.1, then the OS version is there, then the standalone workstation, and then who's the owner, then furthermore the product key of this thing, and where the model number of the system, and then the Windows bit, how much bit it is using, like 64-bit operating system, everything that is related to the system, it's there. Okay, apart from these basic thing regarding the system, there is something more dangerous about about the victim machine that a hacker can got to know, is that he can access to the passwords of the victim's machine. So here's the key for the pass. Here's how he can access to the networks that it connects to and the keys for them. So here we go. Let's give it a try again. Establish connection and yep. So it is showing all the all the devices or all the routers that have been connected to this device, and we can get passwords for each device one by one. The top device shows that the one it is connected to at the time being. So this is now we are going to get the password for the top device, Junejo12, the key for that thing. So let's go about it. Here we go. Time it takes long. Yep, here we go. And this is how it is showing the key content. This key content contains the password for Junejo12. Let's try with another one. Let's try with my coffee. Okay. So now you can see there is my coffee as well, my coffee 24. So we'll be now starting off with it is showing all the profiles of the wireless that it have been connected to. So we'll take it simply copy paste. My coffee 24 key equals clear, and here you go. So this is 7724 7724. That's how we go about it. So this is how we'll be using it. Thanks for watching it.
And subscribe.
Yeah, and subscribe. Thank you.